Hello, good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic water, a precious resource. Water is one of the most plentiful and essential compound that is available on the earth's surface for utilization by the various living organisms. Water, it is a substance composed of the chemical elements hydrogen and oxygen, and they exist in three states: in the gaseous form, in the liquid form, and in the solid form. It is a tasteless, odorless liquid at a room temperature, and it has important ability to dissolve many other substances. Nowadays, the water availability for the domestic uses is being decreasing day by day. So we should concern about this and we should take the precautions how to save the water. Now let us discuss about how much water is available on the earth. About 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Almost all the water on the earth is contained in the seas and oceans, rivers, lakes. That is about 97% of the total water available on the earth's surface. In the ice caps, about 2%, and also it is available as a groundwater and even in the atmosphere in the gaseous form. Most of this water is not fit for human consumption. That is, we cannot consume it directly, whatever the water that is available on the earth's surface. The water that is fit for our uses is fresh water, that is only 1% of the total available water on the earth's surface. And the water that we can use for drinking, we call it as an potable water. Let us see about the three states of water. The three states of water are: number one, solid form, that is in the ice cubes or ice caps; liquid form; and gaseous form. Now, these three states of water, they can be interconverted. Let us see how these interconversion of the three states of water are being done. First, consider the solid form of water. When we apply some heat after the melting point, it will become liquid form. And again, if you provide more heat, the liquid form of the water will get evaporated or they will vaporize and forms the gaseous form. The gaseous form of the water can become liquid by the process known as condensation, by cooling down the temperature or lowering down the temperature. Then liquid can be finally converted into the solid form again by cooling down, the process known as the freezing. But there are some processes in which solid can be directly converted into the gaseous form, and again gases can be directly converted into the solid form. That process we call it as sublimation and reverse sublimation respectively. Now let us see what is water cycle. Water cycle or hydrological cycle or hydrologic cycle. It is a biogeochemical cycle that describes the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the surface of the earth. Now let us see through this diagram. We will see how water cycle is being taking place. These are the waters that are present on the earth's surfaces and during evaporation. Let us first discuss what is evaporation. Evaporation is nothing but the process of conversion of the liquid into the vapor state at any temperature. So by the process of evaporation, surface water, they are being converted into the gaseous form, and these, when it moves high up in the sky, they will form the clouds. These clouds, they are formed by the process known as condensation. And if the temperatures are being lowered down, then these clouds cannot hold no more water here. They will burst open and now precipitates as a rainfall again on the surface of the earth. That process we call it as a precipitation, and these rainwater are again collected on the surface of the earth, the process known as collection. This is how the water is being continuously cycling on the earth. The process we call it as water cycle. Thank you. Hope you understand something from this class. Have a nice day.